Hello everyone, today I will showcase to you how to revive other players in R.E.P.O. As you can see, I am currently playing alone, but if you play with other players and one of you dies, simply bring their head to the extraction point, hit the button and wait for the countdown. They should have been revived with 1 HP. And I don't know if this is a property of shop itself, that it revives everyone on 1 HP, or if you simply can do this. There's nothing on the table, so not that. I have 5k, so I will get the grenade. And I get crushed, but I instantly get revived because my head pops out of my body and gets revived. I think that's how it works. And, well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.